Hey, welcome back. Van here. In this video we're going to make old school beef jerky. You're not going to want to miss this. This is a simple recipe, a great recipe, great flavor.
Hey y'all, this is Calvin. Calvin's Corner 72. You're watching Van's World.
Let's get started. In this recipe we're going to need a half a cup soy sauce, half a cup of Worcestershire. What's this here sauce? 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, 1 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, granulated garlic, 1 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 2 1/2 teaspoons of ground black pepper, half a tablespoon of liquid smoke. I'm using hickory flavored. And we're going to use some prague powder, 1/4 teaspoon. We've got 2 pounds of meat, and that's what you would need is 1/4 teaspoon of prague powder. That's optional. It's up to you. I'm using it because it helps preserve the beef jerky a little bit longer. We're going to mix this up here in our handy dandy little mixing hickey. You ever seen a hickey? I got a hickey. Alright, we're going to add 2 pounds of lean beef. I'm using eye round, and it is cut a 1/2 inch wide and 1/4 inch thick. Let's add this in here. We want to make sure that we get all that black pepper in here. That should be good. Now we're going to pull a vacuum on this and let it sit on our vacuum marinade tumbler for 25 minutes. Oh my gosh! Look at all that black pepper in there. If you like cracked black pepper beef jerky or black pepper in general, I know Calvin in Calvin's Corner, he loves black pepper. I want you to just look at that. Just look at all that black pepper in there. What? You old school beef jerky going in. Look at that. Look at that goodness. Boy howdy. This stuff smells good. My goodness, it smells good. Sweet Caroline. Doo, doo, doo. Old school beef jerky. Man, check that out. It's good stuff right there. Look at that. Look at all them pepper flakes in there. Old school right there, boy.
Action! Get in the frame, Van! God!
Old school beef jerky. Taste test.
Taste of a test with Matt. My friends call me Doombringer.
Doombringer. And he runs the Lair.
I do.
Check that out.
Get in there.
Look at all that black pepper. I almost dropped it.
If you dropped it, you don't cut.
We'll pick it up and eat it.
Yeah, off the floor. That's why coronavirus will never happen to us, because we eat stuff off the floor.
Yeah. We keep our immune system up.
Yeah.
Old school.
Tastes like beef jerky.
Tastes like black pepper beef jerky.
The stuff you buy in the store will never be as good as making it yourself.
No.
It's just, they make it in big old batches, and they preserve the crap out of it. But this stuff, Van uses no preservatives, and it's gluten free.
I do. Very little though. Prague powder. It's no MSG though.
And it's vegetarian.
Vegetarian approved.
And no meat in it.
I've been turning vegetarians into meat eaters since 2006.
Sounds sexy.
Man, this is really good, dude. I ain't kidding. I like this. This is just a basic, plain, old school beef jerky. If you want a good, basic beef jerky, then this is it. This is the one you want to go with.
I will never come on here and say a bad word about Van's beef jerky. I'm the worst person to come do this. This could be horrible. You ain't gonna hear from me.
I don't know.
That's good though.
I think the test is coming up soon.
Is it?
The test is coming up soon. I've got one for you to try here shortly.
Well, you fail on me not liking this one.
What?
If you want me to not like this, you're failing miserably.
Look at that, man. Look at it.
Yeah. Nah.
Get into me. If you've ever had an old school beef jerky, got a great recipe, whatever, leave it in the comment section down below. But
I really thought
sure.
you was about to say you might be a redneck. That was what I thought was about to come out here. If you've ever had old beef jerky, you might be a redneck. Get down with it, man.
Be sure to tell Matt, the Doombringer, thank you for doing this taste test with me.
My pleasure.
He would really be honest if it wasn't good.
Yeah.
Because Matt's going to tell you the truth no matter what.
I don't even like Van.
Y'all, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. You have a good one. You come back. Don't forget, check out the video description down below. You can go check out Matt the Doombringer at the Lair.
I don't do nothing over there.
You can check out his old stuff.
Hang out. Got a microphone coming on Wednesday though.
Ooh, is it Blue Yeti?
It's a little Yeti.
A little
It's
Yeti.
a little snowball ice Yeti.
Color?
Black? I mean, what color? The only color that exists?
I didn't know.
Black.
If it was little.
Drop him back now, you hear?